This hurricane wasn't too bad. Just some strong wind and a little bit of rain. Little pine tree over there looks like it's leaning pretty good. Not too bad though. I'll be getting more videos up on the channel. Me and the wife just got back from Missouri on Monday, and we're leaving for Aruba on Saturday. So we'll be gone for like 10 days, and I should have some parts waiting on me when I get back for the Duster. So, not too much longer. It's been real busy. That is Mark's pole barn. That's how close he's living to me. And back in the backside, he's gonna build a barnuminium. But this is the shit that sucks. Got 1,500 homes going right across from us. That was a tree, and that was a tree from the last hurricane. But they're building 1,500 homes right across from us. But other than that, we're all good. No damage, which is great. No trees down. Just some rain and wind. That's about it. But anyways, I'll be doing a little filming down in Aruba. doing kind of like, we have about 4 days. So we'll have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We might go to the track on Wednesday. So we'll at least have 3 days of doing whatever we want. Looking forward to the little getaway. But anyways, we'll chat with y'all soon. And once I get back from Aruba, we'll be back on the Duster. Alright, y'all have a good day.